everyone, welcome back to This Day in Weather. If you're just joining this channel, this is where you can learn about weather events that occurred in the United States on the date the video was posted in years past. Today is June 13th. On this day in 1907, the low temperature in Tamarack, California drops down to 2 degrees. This is the coldest reading on record for the entire United States in the month of June. The high that day in Tamarack only reached 30 degrees. Also, between June 10th and the 13th, Tamarack received 42 inches of snow, and on the 13th, the snow depth was 130 inches. On this day in 1968, an F5 tornado took a 9.1 mile long, 150-yard wide path through the Minnesota counties of Murray, Lyon, and Redwood. This tornado struck just after 7 p.m. and caused 9 fatalities and between 125 and 150 injuries. The tornado destroyed 111 houses, severely damaged 81, 117 others suffered minor damage, 13 farms and 10 businesses were destroyed or severely damaged, and the force of this tornado lifted a boxcar from the tracks and moved it a block and a half into a residential section. On this day in 1981, widely scattered tornadoes touched down across many states from Texas to Minnesota, Ohio, and Florida. Most of the town of Carnington, Ohio was destroyed by an F3 tornado, including 100 homes, 50 businesses, and an apartment complex. That tornado caused 4 fatalities and 56 injuries. On this day in 1984, Denver, Colorado was deluged with 5 inches of rain from severe thunderstorms. In some places, the storms left up to 6 feet of water, and softball-sized hail smashed windshields and ripped through metal cars. Snowplows had to be called out. On this day in 1987, 15 cities in the north-central United States reported daily record-high temperatures, including International Falls, Minnesota, with a high of 92 degrees, Mason City, Iowa, and Waterloo, Iowa, with highs of 100 degrees. In the northeastern United States, thunderstorms produced golf ball-sized hail around Hamilton Square, New Jersey, along with high winds that tore off the roof of a hospital and caused $1,1987 United States dollars in damage, which in 2026 United States dollars equates to over $2.93 million. In 15 minutes, Averill Park, New York was drenched with 1.64 inches of rain. On this day in 1988, thunderstorms during the afternoon produced severe weather in the southern and central plains region. Forest, New Mexico was drenched with 5.5 inches of rain in 90 minutes. In much of the eastern half of the country, temperatures reached the 90s, including New England. Northern Illinois reported a record 20 days in a row of dry weather. On this day in 1989, thunderstorms produced severe weather from the southern plains region to the Carolinas during the day and the night, and continued to soak parts of Texas and Oklahoma with heavy rain. Oklahoma City reported 13.41 inches of rain for the month of June up to that point, and Fort Worth, Texas reported 29.56 inches of rain for the year, a total more than 30 inches above normal. Meanwhile, severe drought continued to rage across South Texas. On this day in 2006, Tropical Storm Alberto made landfall with 45-mile-per-hour winds in Taylor County, Florida, around 50 miles southeast of Tallahassee. Alberto formed as a tropical depression through the Yucatan Channel into an area of increased wind shear on the 10th and intensified into a tropical storm early on the 11th, and on the 12th, reached peak strength with 70-mile-per-hour winds around 220 miles west-northwest of Tampa, Florida, but weakened to 45 miles per hour prior to landfall. Alberto brought heavy rain to the southeastern United States before it became post-tropical on the 14th and dissipated completely on the 19th. There were 3 known indirect fatalities, 4 other people went missing, and damage was 420,000 2006 United States dollars, which equates to almost 694,000 in 2026 United States dollars. That will close up this edition of This Day in Weather, but be sure to stay tuned in because whenever there's a new video, you will learn about weather events that occurred in the United States on the date the video was posted in years past. Please hit the thumbs up button to like this video. Please hit the subscribe button to be sure to never miss a new video. If you're just joining this channel, please check out all the other videos that have been posted on this channel. And please check out my Patreon at patreon.com/c/thisdayinweather for more content.